Look at that hacker's face. Turns out, their cyber attack skills are not a match for a well-implemented layered security approach. Looks like it's time to step up your cybersecurity game. 1. Implement a layered security approach. It's like building a cyber fortress. Just like you would not rely on one flimsy lock on your front door, you need multiple layers of security to keep those cyber crooks at bay. Time to stack up those defense and show them who's boss. 2. Use firewalls to protect your network. Think of firewalls as your cyber bouncers, keeping out the riffraff from your network party. No unauthorized access is allowed. Time to set up that velvet rope and keep those cyber intruders in check. 3. Install antivirus software on all devices. Viruses are like the party crashers of the cyber world, but antivirus software is here to kick them out. Consider it your digital immune system, keeping your devices healthy and malware-free. Time to give those viruses a virtual eviction notice. 4. Create strong passwords and change them regularly. Don't make it easy for cyber criminals with passwords like password 123 or 12345. It's time to get creative. Think of a password. It's like your secret sauce, with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Spice it up and keep those hackers guessing. 5. Educate employees about cybersecurity threats and how to avoid them. Your employees are the gatekeepers of your cyber kingdom, so let's arm them with knowledge. From phishing emails that lure you in like a siren's song, to crafty social engineering tactics. It's time to educate your team on the art of cyber defense. Think of it like a cyber ninja training program, equipping your employees with the skills to detect and avoid those sneaky cyber traps. 6. Restrict access to sensitive data only to those who require it. It's like a virtual VIP area. Not everyone gets to party with sensitive data. Time to play bouncer and make sure only the right people get access. Hackers, you're not on the guest list. 7. Regularly back up your data. Think of data backups as your cyber safety net. When the cyber storm hits, you want to have a backup umbrella. Time to be a data-saving superhero and make sure your important information is protected. 8. Monitor your systems for any suspicious activity. It's like having a cyber watchdog. You want to catch those cyber burglars in the act. Time to put on your cyber detective hat and keep an eye out for any suspicious activity. Let's make sure those cyber criminals don't get away with anything. So, there you have it. With these cybersecurity tips, you can become a cyber defense rock star, keeping those cyber criminals at bay. It's time to level up your cybersecurity game and show them who's boss. Remember, stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep those cyber threats at bay. Stay safe and see you in a bit.